In today's financial landscape, credit card rewards programs have become a significant tool for savvy consumers looking to maximize their spending and earn valuable rewards. From cash back and travel points to exclusive perks and discounts, understanding how to effectively use these programs can enhance your financial strategy. This comprehensive guide will delve into the world of credit card rewards programs, providing you with insights, tips, and strategies to get the most out of your credit card. Using credit card rewards effectively can lead to significant savings and added value, making it an essential aspect of personal finance management. Credit card rewards programs offer a way to earn benefits simply by making everyday purchases. These rewards can take various forms, including cashback, travel rewards, points programs, and exclusive perks. Cashback credit cards offer a percentage of your spending back as cash, typically ranging from 1% to 5% or more, depending on the card and the spending category. Travel rewards. Credit cards are ideal for frequent travelers, offering points or miles that can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and other travel-related expenses. Airline miles, hotel points, and general travel points are all part of the top travel rewards credit cards.